Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I'm going to show you how to reuse expanding foam can. I used the expanding foam can just after Christmas, where I did a video on how to fill deep gaps, and you can see that video at the end of this video. So anyway, I still have more than half left in the can, and it seems a waste just to throw it out. So today I'm going to show you how to reuse it. So the first thing to do is detach the tube by unscrewing here, and then I'm going to use this hook screw that I found, and it's starting to peel off easily from the outside of the tube. I'm now using this screwdriver to help push out the dried up foam out of the tube. And there's still some left in there. I'm going to need a longer tool to be able to push that all the way out. I found this radio aerial lying around. It's proving difficult to push the foam out. I'm now going to try screwing in this long nail. It needs something pointy to break it up. What else could I try? I mean, I do have this metal piece that has a jagged edge, so hopefully that will break it up a bit. So this might do it, and it is starting to break apart. I'm now going to use a longer screwdriver, and I'm going to just push that through the tube, and it's still not coming out. As you can see, this bit in the middle is rock solid, it just won't budge. So finally I'm using this skewer. So let's see if it comes out now. So if this doesn't work, I'm not sure what will. Hey presto. Look at that. It looks like something from Jurassic Park. Or maybe not. So I'm going to clean the nozzle bit here with this small screwdriver. So now that's all done, I'm now going to remove the excess foam that's dried around the top of the can. But before you attempt this, please wear protective gloves and eye gear as well. I can't find my gloves anywhere, so I'm just going to risk it as always for this video. And just gently brush away any remainder foam. I'm also going to clean the area with this spirit cleaner. So the final thing that I do is place the tube and the nozzle head into a plastic bag, and I'm going to use this cleaning fluid spirit. So I'm just going to pour a bit of that in there, and that should remove any remainder foam left in the tube. So I'm just going to give that a really good shake. Before you use the can, just remember to remove any loose plaster and any dust. It also helps to spray the area with water. Okay, I've just realised that the gloves are hidden in the can cap. Okay, I'm just going to gently screw on the nozzle, and then I'm going to screw in the tube. So I'm just going to give that a really good shake.
It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive.